Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to reset your iPad if you have forgotten your screen passcode or if it says iPad unavailable. How can you reset it using the Mac machine or if you have a Windows laptop. And this iPad we have here is iPad 9 generation. It got the home button, so all you're gonna do is you have to keep pressing the home button while connecting it to the charger, okay, to the power right there. So what you're gonna do is you have to keep pressing the home button. While you keep pressing it, I'm just gonna connect the cable. Okay, you have to keep pressing it. It'll take you to the DFU mode. As soon as it shows you here on your Mac, it will tell you that allow accessory to connect. You hit connect right there and you're gonna restore. You will hit restore and it says restore and update right there, and it says next, agree. There you go. And so what it will do, it will download it and then it will just actually finish it off and it will allow you to reset it that way, right? And now if you have a Windows computer, all you're gonna do is download an iTunes right there, and if it's already on here, if not, then you're gonna do the same thing. Keep pressing the power button while connecting it to the cable. So since already there, all you're gonna do is plug it up and you're gonna open the iTunes right there. You want to open the iTunes and it will show you these two options. So you're gonna click on the restore and it says restore and update. You will hit that, next, agree. There you go. And it will download the software to restore right here. As you can see, it's going to download right there. It says 60 minutes remaining. Once it's download, and if it's connected to the iPad, it will just restore all of the factory settings. But if it was on iCloud, you might need to have that iCloud information and a password. If you didn't have any iCloud, then that should be it. You don't have to worry about it. I hope this small video helps you. If it did, please subscribe to our channel and give it a like or the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.